This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
Come on, Cedar.
Wanna spend every day with you. Happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. This is the good life. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
These are crazy times right now. Kids are home from school, daycares are closed. We all find ourselves suddenly full-time stay-at-home parents on top of juggling whatever work responsibilities we have. It's stressful, it's anxiety producing, and we're doing our best to find the silver linings, the fun parts of it. And one of those fun parts is the extra time we're spending with our kids, the moments that we're having, the experiences that we are creating alongside our children. Mark and I put together a course for you on how to take photos of your kids at home so that you can capture some of these moments that are happening, so that you can tell the story of how crazy and special these times are. You don't have to know anything to take this course. You don't even have to have a digital camera. We'll teach you tools for using your digital camera as well as tools for if you just have an iPhone. We focus less on the gear and more on tools and techniques that help you take a better photo and capture moments. We'll talk through lighting and how to instantly make your photos better just by learning to see light. We'll talk through composition rules and how you can make a photo stop from falling flat, have it feel really 3D just by using some of these techniques. And then we'll spend some time on moments, how to engage with moments, how to capture moments, and how to really tell a story with your photographs. We hope you'll take advantage of this course that we've put together. We really put our heart and soul into helping you find something creative to do during this time. Spending some time being creative will really help us survive all the stresses that are happening and help us be together with our families and appreciate what we have. I'll put a link to the course in the description below and more information on that link, as well as a limited time price of only $20. So we make it really easy for you to say yes. Looking forward to seeing you in the course.